How to draw the Pokemon Gengar, step by step and easy. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, so to begin we're going to begin by making a slanted line. This will be the left eye. Below this we're going to make a C-like shape. It will make it appear as if the eye is slanted. Now on the inside of this empty space we're going to begin to add in a pupil. The pupil will look similar to a comma that is attached to the top line. Now let's move a little bit to the right. We're going to begin to make the second and right eye of Gengar. This one will be a little bit smaller to make it appear as if Gengar is squinting. Just like how we made the first pupil, we're going to begin to make a second pupil on the right hand side that also looks similar to a comma. Nice! Next we're going to go right below the eyes and we're going to begin to draw the mouth. We're going to make a long curved line going from the left side of the left eye all the way over to the right hand side to the right side of the eye. Underneath of that curved line, we're going to begin to draw a big U-like shape connecting from the left side to the right, just how we did with the curved line. Awesome job! This looks great. Now on the inside of the empty space of the mouth that we just created, we're going to begin to add in 4 lines going up and down, or vertical. These will help create the teeth of Gengar. Now we have to draw the outline of the body. Let's move right above the eyes and let's begin to draw 2 triangle-like shapes. These will be the ears of Gengar. We're going to begin on the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, the shape will look identical or symmetrical. Now let's connect these 2 triangle-like shapes with 3 smaller triangle-like shapes in the middle. Now on the bottom point of each big triangle-like shape that we previously drew, we're going to add in 2 small sharp-like edges that are also triangle-like shapes. We're going to do this on the left as well as right-hand side. Earlier on in the video, we made the left and right hand side for the 2 big triangle-like shapes identical. We're not going to do that exact same thing here. We're going to make these 2 look a little bit different. Now to draw the outline of the lower portion of the body, we're going to begin to make a big C-like shape on the left hand side as well as the right hand side, although these 2 shapes will not connect. Fantastic job! Now on the right hand side we're going to begin to make the right arm as well as hand. We're going to begin on the C-like shape and then we're going to connect it to the top point of the empty space. On the left hand side we're going to make the left arm as well as hand look identical to the one on the right hand side. Now we're almost done, but we're not done just yet. We're going to stay on the left hand side and we're going to begin to make the first leg and foot. To make the toes, we're going to make 3 small triangle-like shapes. We're not going to connect this leg to anything just yet because later on in the video we're going to connect these two legs together by using a tail. Now last but not least, in between those two legs, we're going to go ahead and add in that tail that I previously mentioned. Thank you for watching on How to Draw Hub. This is How to Draw Gengar from Pokemon. If you want to see more videos just like this, then I highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button. Now stick around so that we can call our drawing together. Also, if this video helped you out today, be sure to give it a big like so that other YouTube artists can see it as well. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.